Everyone's wondering, are we heading into a buyer's market here in Denver? Prices are dipping, homes are sitting longer, and buyers are getting pickier. But is that the whole story? Let's break down what's really happening this August and how it can help or hurt your real estate goals. My name is Kareem Howard, a licensed realtor with Gerlach Homes. Now on this channel, I post market updates, community tours, property tours, pretty much anything related to real estate out in Denver, Colorado. So if that's something you like, please feel free to like and subscribe. And if you're a homeowner, I've got a free seller kit that shows you how to boost your home's value by up to $34,000 without spending thousands on renovations. Grab yours down below. Now let's start the video with something that both buyers and sellers alike should be watching. Mortgage rates. As of August 5th, the average 30-year fixed mortgage, according to Mortgage News Daily, is 6.58%. The good news is that rates have been steadily trending downwards for a few weeks now. That downward trend means better affordability for buyers and more confidence to make good offers. Now the shift is subtle, but it's important. Every 0.25% drop in rate can increase your purchasing power by tens of thousands of dollars. So if you were priced out in the beginning of summer, it might be time to recheck with your lender and see what your new purchasing power looks like. All right, here's what the July stats are showing us across the Denver metro. Median close price dropped to $590,000, a 3.28% decrease from June. Closed sales are down 11.31%, with just 3,661 homes sold last month. Inventory rose slightly. We are at 3.82 months of inventory, giving buyers a lot more options. And days on market jumped to 24, that is a 33% increase. New listings fell nearly 10%, which shows that some sellers aren't inclined to sell in this market anymore. And finally, pending sales barely changed, down 0.31% month over month. So what does this all mean? We are in a lot more balanced market, definitely leaning a lot more towards buyers. But we are still in a competitive market if your home is priced right. Now for my buyer advice, if you're a buyer, this is honestly a great window of opportunity. Prices are softening and days on market are rising, and sellers are much more open to negotiation. This isn't like 2021 where you had to offer 50K over asking today, get it under contract. Buyers in this market have a real chance to not only win, but to protect themselves. Here's a quick example. I had a buyer last week offer under asking on a home that has been sitting on the market for 45 days. We got the price down, we asked for concessions, and we still beat out another offer because we are clean and because we are fast. My advice to you, don't wait for rates to drop below 6% before you act. By then, competition will surely spike again. If you find a house you love, you can negotiate on price. If you can negotiate on seller concessions or rate buy down, then that is a definite win in this market. Sellers, you need to know that the market is still active, but it is no longer on fire. The biggest mistake that I see right now is overpricing. Buyers are way more educated today than they were in the previous years. And if you don't come out with a strong price fast on day one, then your listing is gonna get stale fast and you're gonna have to do price reductions. I've seen homes that would have sold the very first weekend last year sit for 30+ days just because they attacked the market just $15,000 over the market price. Then you get the lowball offers and then you're doing price reductions and it's not a good time. But when my clients follow my full listing strategy, pricing it right, staging it smart, and marketing the heck out of it, we still see strong results even in this market. One of my listings in July had 3 showings the very first weekend and went under contract with 0 price drop because we nailed the presentation. If you're thinking about selling this fall, download my free seller kit down below. It includes my 18-point home seller checklist, tips to boost your home's value without doing a huge remodel, and a free home evaluation link so that you can see exactly what your home is worth in this current market. Now zooming out a bit, what we're seeing is a return on a more traditional real estate cycle. Things are slowing down slightly in the summertime, but there's still a lot of opportunity on the buyer side, on the seller side, if you have the right strategy. The frenzy is gone, and that's actually a good thing for the long-term health in the Denver metro market. Balanced markets like these reward smart buyers and sellers who know how to price right, leading up into a really busy Q1 of next year. And if rates continue to trend down in the fall, expect things to pick back up heading into Q4 later this year. Now, if you're a Denver homeowner thinking about selling, do not guess your home's value. Grab my free seller kit link down below, and it'll show you how to boost your home's value by up to $34,000 without spending thousands on renovations. Plus, you'll get my full prep checklist and a free home evaluation. Just click the link below, and I'll personally follow up to help you create a game-winning game plan. And if you're buying, make sure you're subscribed because I have a new video coming out next week where I break down 3 under-the-radar neighborhoods in Denver that still have great deals and growth potential. Thanks for watching. I am Kareem Howard, a licensed realtor with Gerlach Homes. I will see you guys in the next video.